I am here today with one of the most amazing people I've ever been honored to know, Carrie Stone, and she is going to talk to us about some of her experiences here.
Thanks, it's great to be here today.
It is great.
I wanted to come in today to share some of my patient testimonial because I want people to realize what a treasure we have here at Wellness for Life. You know, we are in a small town and it's hard to find really great medical care, and especially if you believe, like I do, in integrative and functional medicine. And so my experience here has been so wonderful that I wanted to get that message out to other people. So I first started here when I had been out with friends for dinner, and we were walking down the street and we came by and I saw IVs available. And my IV doctor had to shut down after COVID, and I had been without it, and it makes a huge difference in my life. And so we knocked on your window and made you come open the door for us, and you showed us all around, and I got so excited and immediately started the following week with IVs. We got close during that time, and I started to trust you. So I turned over my thyroid and my low-dose naltrexone and all those things that I do to be functional as a chronically ill person. And you just started taking over.
As I will do.
As my health, which was so amazing. So I would talk about things and you would say, hey, we have a solution for that. And so you've treated everyone in my family. We have done gut testing that has been huge for me and my daughter. You've done weight loss help. I had gained weight after having a struggle with the stupid Plantar's wart and couldn't exercise, and I was in so much pain. And not only during that time, my husband found a special treatment that nobody else would discuss with me. And I sent it to you and said,
will you try this?
You want to shoot my foot with this? And you did, and it worked. And I have no problem anymore. And so
it's amazing too. And what it was Candida. And so you wouldn't think that injecting Candida would be a beneficial therapy, but there actually is a reason. You know, sometimes we can fight viruses, different things with other agencies that we may not necessarily want. And of course, the Candida is not going to go system-wide with a small injection, but it's enough to crowd out that virus so that your Plantar's wart went away. So it was a relatively easy solution. Easy for me because I didn't have to get a shot in my foot. But
yeah. But I went from waking up at 2 o'clock in the morning crying every day because I was in so much pain, having a hard time being on my feet. So I couldn't exercise. I was just in constant pain, taking way too much Advil Dual. And, you know, you helped me because you were willing to take that chance that nobody else would take. I could have had surgery and been off my feet for 3 weeks.
Oh, yeah. And that's a lot. Well, I have surgery for Plantar's wart. It's
right.
So common.
Yeah. Right. And so, you know, just things like that. Like, I'm so excited to be a test patient for the new oats testing that's coming into the clinic.
Gosh, I am crazily excited about that.
You know, so it's so great. And so the IVs they're huge for me. I don't think people realize the great benefit of IVs.
I agree.
And how much help they can be for just your everyday life. I know for me they're crucial. But if you're feeling something coming on, or you're struggling through getting over a long-term illness or anything, they are so beneficial. And now with Matt, he will specialize. I come in, he'd say, well, how are you feeling? I'm feeling stressed, I'm not sleeping very well, and he just shoots up that bag with all kinds of goodies. And
yes, Matt is amazing. Matt is our new IV nurse that we've had around on social media, so you guys should have seen him. But he is incredible at IV therapy and mixing up the specialty cocktails. He's got like 25 different things in his magic refrigerator that he will just mix up, and he is excellent at like making sure the osmolarity, the carrier fluid, everything is exactly perfect for what you need. So I am so glad we have him, and so glad we have him for you, because you're absolutely right. right. Hydration coming from inside is the best hydration.
It is, and he's a great stick, you know.
Yes, he's a very good at doing IVs. He is an ER nurse when he's not here, so yeah,
Right.
he's excellent.
And I want to say on IVs, I had to drag my daughter in the last time to get an IV, and she's 20. And so I said, come on, just go with me. I have this appointment anyway, just do it. She reluctantly did it. She was in such a bad mood when we came in. Was so PMS'd. And so
No.
we did the PMS bag, and I left here with a totally different daughter.
Oh, thank God.
And we had the most amazing day. But that's how much difference it can make. You know, the IVs make a huge difference.
Oh yeah, for headaches, for just feeling down, like you said. We can even do ones for dull skin. There's so many different IV combinations that we can do.
Right.
So yeah, it's easy.
And the other great thing that I love here is, I know for me, I had an injury and I was dealing with inflammation, and I called you and I said, in a lot of pain, I'm dealing with this inflammation, and I was able to just pop over, get a shot. And that was so huge for me. I didn't have to go to the doctor. I didn't have to go to the ER. I didn't have to deal with the pain, take more Advil Dual. I was just able to deal with it. And the same thing for my husband. Right before we were flying out on vacation, he hurt his back, and he was like, I guess I need to go to the ER. I said, no, you don't.
You can just pop it, and we always have Toradol. You know, if it's
Right.
appropriate for you. We don't do opioids. We don't do a lot of controlled meds, but there's so much that we can do without resorting to those heavy-duty painkillers. We can do so many things that are just going to make you feel good, allow you to continue on with your day without causing more damage to your body.
And you don't have to live your life numb.
Yes, which is a good thing. Nobody wants to be like that.
That's right. So it's just so great. And so I just wanted to be a reminder to everyone that we are so fortunate in Anacortes to have a place like this, a safe place where we can get what we need health-wise, and we can live our best lives, and we can live life to the fullest. So thank you.
Thank you so much. You bring so much to us. Your smile, your just amazingness, and your willingness to share this with the public. I just really appreciate you.
Thank you.